true love's kiss?
Hey, you're afraid. I think I'm afraid.
Princess Fiona?
You're afraid.
Princess Foina?
No, Princess Foina.
What about
What about
true love's kiss?
True Love Kiss?
Yeah.
True Love Kiss, Mommy.
With Fiona and Shrek?
Fiona and Trick. And Kiss Trick.
She kisses Shrek and takes true love's form.
True Love Kiss. True Love Kiss. Me kiss. And kiss your wife. Yeah, kiss your Trick. And kiss Fiona.
Yeah, she should have kissed Raphael, not Shrek.
He kissed Trick.
She kissed Shrek and she broke your heart.
He's simple and Shrek. He knows.
He knows you love Fiona?
Yes, the son knows.
Yeah.
My kiss. True love. A kiss.
The true love's kiss.
A kiss, Mommy. A true love kiss. It'll be dark.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Or the book.
Yeah, okay, a book.
He says beaches.
Yeah, we're washing Peaches again.
Oh, beaches?
Let's see. Yeah, hi Peaches, hi Fox. Hi Baby Fox, hi Red Wolf. Yeah. Yes. He's cleaning up his mess with a wet rag.
Or rag.
Yeah. Good job. And he cleaned his toy down there.
Oh, toy 0 and toy 100. It's the tray. It's Bubba.
Yeah, you did a great job. Thank you.
You right here?
No?
You right here?
Been working all day. I did 2 loads of dishes, 2 loads of laundry. Let me tell you what the cat did. The cat freaked me out. Okay, I had put the baby to bed. He didn't take a nap though, but I had just put him to bed. And I knew exactly where he was. So my washer turned on, but it was already off. It was done with the cycle. So I was waiting to go in and get it, and then I hear the washer turn on. I'm like, what the heck? So I go in, I think Raphael snuck in there. He didn't. So I was like, okay, that's weird. Well, I'll just let it run because it's full of water now, you know. Let it run again, rinse it off. I'm in there doing the dishes, and Raphael is in here playing in the living room. And I hear beep again. So I'm like, what the heck is wrong with my washer? The cat had jumped down, but in the process of her jumping down, she hits the start button, which paused it. She paused the washer. She paused it. So she's been freaking me out. Well, Hadar's home, and he got home pretty early today. So he took the car, and he left it there yesterday so he could drive home early today. So we're gonna go out and get some things that we need. He's most likely staying the night tomorrow. So
I'm supposed to. We'll see if I do or not.
yeah,
I arrange it. I don't.
that would be very nice. All right, so let's go. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Oh no, Ma. I hate putting this car seat in. It is not the easiest.
Don't touch.
Don't touch.
Gotta put my shoes on. See, here's my clothes.
I'm gonna lift his shoes in here.
His shoes are sorry.
And his pants.
Oh, pee on the car.
Don't pee on the car.
Oh, you're gonna wait for me?
Kiss Daddy.
Hey, kiss.
Is that true love's kiss?
Kiss size.
Yeah. Oh, look at this light up here. Pretty cool. We're at the bank. Once again, because my bank card didn't work yesterday. It expired.
You have, Mommy?
Yeah, you hugged Mommy. No chevy say when you hug Mommy. No. No.
He's looking at me before he looked all the way.
Kiss. Usually if there's one thing that I wear, it's mascara, and I just realized I forgot to put it on.
Daddy?
So I'm feeling a bit naked in my eyeballs here.
Daddy? Daddy?
So,
No, one and
Daddy's
Daddy.
filling out some papers. He'll be here in a second. It's just going to take literally a minute. There he is. There my honey is.
Who is it?
Who is it, my honey?
Who is it?
Daddy.
So I thought that I had a cell phone this entire time, but I actually don't. Hadar says it doesn't work. And, well, I don't pay too much attention to it, but he's like, I'm getting you a cell phone and you're going to use it and charge it, and I'm going to call you every single day on it and you're going to use it. And I was like, no. And then I said, what do I need a cell phone for? And he said, so I can stop taking your phone calls. And I'm like, what phone calls? And he says, oh, you have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Okay. So apparently I'm going to go get checked out tomorrow. My breathing, here's my breathing. It's actually pretty dang good. I get lightheaded walking around though. It's like I'm not getting enough oxygen. Just walking around, I shouldn't get lightheaded. I am breaking the fast tonight. I kind of broke it yesterday with some chili, like, juice. So it was kind of broke already. And this morning I had tea. You know, every morning I've been having tea. Yesterday walking around was okay to be lightheaded. Today walking around, not so good to be lightheaded because, you know, I have broken the fast basically. I took some calories. So tonight we're definitely breaking the fast, and I'll probably give it like 2 more days of eating and then start fasting again to try to get rid of the rest, because it's very low in my chest. I don't even know why this air is on. I don't know why the car is on. Anyway, so he is getting my cell phone right now at KSP, which is an electronics store. Okay, I had to cough so you can hear what's in my lungs. It sounds pretty good to me. That's only, you know, just a little bit, but it's way down and deep, and the mucus is so sticky. Like, picture, do you know that stuff? He's snoring. Do you know that stuff that sticks on envelopes and then you like try to peel it off and it's like real sticky? That's the way my mucus is, and it's very hard to get up. Yesterday I went and I got 2 more Venolins. My Venolin right now, my old ones, they're like psst, psst, and then the new ones go psst, but they seem to run out so quick, or I'm just overusing them. And here he is with my cell phone.
Thought it's you in this car.
Oh no, 2 women got out of it. You get my cell phone?
Yeah.
Is it gorgeous?
It's about as big as your other one, a little bigger. And battery's gonna last a week, unlike your other one in the States.
Okay.
The charger is international, but of course we have to have a headpiece for it.
I'm so glad.
He's already asleep.
It's okay.
Yeah, well, we can.
It's okay. It'll be good. Well, thanks, honey.
You have to have a phone. Have to. I hate that she doesn't have a phone, so I can't track her down. If she goes out, we go out together even. You can go into a store and I'll just be like, hey, Andrea, let's get out of here.
Yeah, when's that ever gonna happen?
When we go to different stores. It never happens because I hate that.
Okay, here's the Wacky Mac, macaroni and cheese in a box. How much do you pay for your macaroni and cheese? Sometimes we got it for $4 for $1. This is about $2.50.
This, $8.70. It's about $2 flat.
$8.70.
$2.
4 shekels for $1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diego, it is nothing.
So about 2.
About 2 and a little.
Oh, okay. A little over 2. Yeah. Dollars. And here's all the soup in a package. No soup in a can. Okay.
Let's go.
This might not be special to you, and it's probably not special to me because he's got like 200,000 something people that he follows. But he followed me! Well, I'll show you. FoolyLiving, you have a new follower on Twitter. And I was like, what? Nuh-uh. And I was like, what? And let me look here. So I go here to follow him back and I figure, oh yeah, okay, whatever. But it is him because he has the verified thing. I was like, he's following me. He's got 283,000 people he's following. But still, that's pretty cool.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. FoolyLiving.
Yellow.
Vitamin.
Vitamin too.
Oh, vitamin. Oh, mommy, Debbie.
Are you serious? You even pressed record.
It's like, what happened?